Hello everyone, use the coupon code QPT to get a discount for my ebooks and courses at rajamanikam.com. Google has just unveiled Firebase Studio, a groundbreaking cloud-based development environment designed to revolutionize how developers build full-stack AI applications. Announced at Google Cloud Next 2025, Firebase Studio integrates Gemini, Google's advanced AI model, to assist developers throughout the app development lifecycle. With the app prototyping agent, developers can quickly create application prototypes using natural language prompts, images, or sketches, streamlining the initial design process. The platform offers an AI-enhanced code editor, providing real-time code suggestions, debugging assistance, and documentation generation to accelerate development. Firebase Studio simplifies deployment with integrated hosting solutions, allowing for seamless publishing of applications directly from the development environment. Developers can collaborate in real time and access a library of over 60 templates, supporting various frameworks like Next.js, React, and Flutter to kickstart their projects. Firebase Studio is currently available in preview. To explore its features and to start building your AI-powered application, visit firebase.google.com/studio. I explored it by asking it to create a timesheet application useful for freelancers, and it could create it with the AI feature, that is, choosing category automatically based on task description. Share your experience through the comments.